that every wish would be heard and answered when wished on the morning star. Somebody thought of that, someone believed it. Look what it's done so far. So amazing, that keeps us stargazing. And what do we think we might see? Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers
da 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 da.
Saturday, Sunday, I die to hold your hand. I know that we've always been friends, but if you give me a chance, I'll be your number one boy, your favorite choice. I'll be your number one boy, with this beautiful voice, yeah. There was trickle on the tip, and baby, I'm the one for you. Don't wanna make you a note, I just wanna fill you up with joy. I'll be your number one boy.
I know you're afraid to comment.
Yeah, TBD on the mic. Second best rapper alive, locked in, no debate. Call me TBD, yeah, I'm king of the sound. Second best in the world, yeah, I'm holding it down. Got bars so deep like a kiddie pool deep. Yeah, that didn't make sense, but I'm losing no I got drips so clean like I slipped in a sink. Now I'm wet looking fresh, yeah, don't overthink. Rock a hoodie every day, yeah, that's high fashion drip. Yeah, my lyrics hit hard like a light little tap. If you blink one time, you can miss all the rap. But it's still the best song, yeah, I'm making that claim. If you don't agree, then you're wrong, that's the game. Second best rapper alive, yeah, I said it again. Wrote it down in my notes, then I showed all my friends. They said, wow, that's cool, then they changed up the topic. But I know deep inside they was feeling iconic. TBD, yeah, I'm ending it clean. Second best in the world, yeah, you know what I mean. Mic drop, but I missed and it hit my shoe. Still the best to ever do it, yeah, that's all true.
It's not over yet. Tell me why you're starting a fire. It's burning up in my head. Why do I always tell myself that it's not over yet? Show me where to look for a halo. Oh, I'm sick and tired of the pain, so I don't wanna be the one to let go. Oh no, why is everybody telling me it's over? Trying to shut the voices out the gate and close up. Help me stay alive just so I can show ya. It's not over yet. Tell me why you're stirring the fire. It's burning up in my head. Why do I always tell myself that it's not over yet?
All of us under his spell.